Pulls that hook link down. Right, get a still wet there, right?
Look at the bend in that.
Just keep it on the fish now. There's loads of it, mate. Fucking hell.
And it's taking that line.
Yeah, that's on a tight clutch, mate, that is. That's pretty tight. Hold on tight! Just don't want him going in that stuff or something. Oh, you mother. No, don't go in there. He's over £30 and it's beat me PB. Oh no, man, that's looking a bit dodgy. Come on, baby. Get your head up. Get your head up, get your fucking head in there. Come on, in we go. Yeah, in we go. No. Oh, you mother. Oh, come and land this, mate. Come and grab this. Grab the net. Grab the net. Just see if he can get his whole head in. His head's got to go up to the block at the front, otherwise he won't all go in. Oh, man. Oh, you're a good man. Thank you very much. I didn't knock it off. That's good. Just, that's it. Oh.
I got the catfish on the table.
Oh, man. That goes beyond that. Right there. What are we having in, boys?
I'm gonna go
20. I don't know, actually, 15. I'll go 25.
23.
Yeah, that's heavier than it looks. Oh, look at that, bang on.
I'm good enough.
Bang on it.
I'll say 25, wouldn't you?
25 for that.
25, mate.
Well done, John.
They beat a PB, but it's still nice.
Lovely.
That'd be.